what big news there is today. Help! There's a cockroach!
Gotta go to the pier to get some fries.
It'd be bad if a pedestrian steps on it and falls in. What the hell is this channel?